Hey boys and girls, this video I am making for my lovely CMA students. CMA is a hidden gold mine. Have I not been telling you this since last 10 continuous years? Yes sir, you alone have been telling this. And now the entire world is recognizing this fact. Yes, a very important announcement and a good news for all the lovely CMA students. On 8th of July 2021, Cabinet of Union of India, that is Indian government, chaired by none other than Prime Minister Modi, they have approved a memorandum of understanding MOU with the UK government, United Kingdom, regarding the students who are doing CMA course. Okay, so if you are doing CMA India course, then you will be getting tremendous facilities in United Kingdom as well. So boys and girls, this MOU just proves that the importance of CMA is being recognized, CMA India is being recognized all over the world. So whosoever had even an iota of doubt, or they used to look down upon the CMA students like anything, okay, and all those teachers who only demotivate the CMA students, it's a harsh reality for them and a very fruitful reality for all the CMA fraternity, entire CMA fraternity, that yes, CMA has announced itself to the entire world. So if you are having any single iota of doubt that whether there is a career in CMA or not, then there should not be any doubt any further now, okay. And those who have been associated with me, I have always motivated them and I have always told my CMA students that every course has its own importance, every course is equal, and so as CMA also, okay. And yes, and in past also you will be you must have observed that my students have scored tremendous all India ranks, and not only all India ranks, even the qualified CMAs have been able to grab a very good deal in the job. The starting package has been raised. The starting package nowadays, average package, if we talk about average package of CMA, it is somewhere around 10 lakh, but you have seen my students getting packages of 17 lakh, 20 lakhs like this. So just go for the course, and we at MEPL provide all the subjects tuition, obviously with great pride, great honor, and great research and efficiency to all the levels of CMA, all subjects, whether it is foundation, inter and final. Now let us read this announcement, boys and girls. The Union Cabinet, first of all the heading, Cabinet approves Memorandum of Understanding between Institute of Cost Accountants of India and Association of Chartered Accountants, United Kingdom. Okay, so the Union Cabinet chaired by PM Modi approved the MOU between Institute of Cost Accountants of India and Association of Chartered Certified Accountants of United Kingdom, that they will provide mutual advanced entry to the members of both the institutes through exemptions in majority of the papers to acquire the qualification of the professional body and undertake joint research. They will be undertaking joint research and professional development activity. This is a great proud moment for all the CMAs, okay. So you are doing the correct course, boys and girls, and if you need our guidance, we are always there for you. We have been there for you, we are there for you, and we will be there for you forever, okay. And we provide, yes, those who don't know, we provide best quality education for all levels of CMA at www.meplclasses.com. So this is a great moment of pride. Do share the video with entire CMA fraternity so that everybody comes to know the true worth of CMA. It's time to hold your head high. Take care. Love you. Bye-bye.